Hey guys, this is E with Scrapbooking with Me, and this is the package that we received late yesterday afternoon, and this is from Terry Thompson. So we're going to open it up, see what we got. And I need to get my little book over here so I won't forget to write her name down. So she is going to be entry number 20. Oh, lots of things in here. So that'll make a good bag for our page. Okay, the first thing is this card. And I'll read this. It says, "Hi, I don't have a website or a Facebook page, but feel free to show these cards to the group. I go by the name of BCC Queen. I think I have you beat by 3 years in the anniversary department, as I celebrated our 50th this June the 13th. I cannot read this morning either. Some days I can't talk. Today I can't read. Guess number 13 is lucky after all. There's also a card coming for Aaron. I put something special in it for him. Oh, how sweet. May God bless you and your family. And if there were more people in the world like you and your family, it would certainly be a better place to live. Stay safe. Bless your heart." That is so sweet. So sweet. Oh, look at these butterflies. And they're dimensional. Oh, I love those. Thank you so much. Oh, and look, the back is glittery. Oh my goodness, more. I love these. I will use some of these in the journal, and I will definitely use some of them in my projects too. That is so sweet. Thank you. Okay, I think this may just be like cushioning to keep everything from bending, but we will definitely use this in our project. Oh my goodness, look at this. Let's see. I think it opens up, maybe? I'm not sure. Oh my goodness, look at this. Wow. Girl, you went above and beyond. Oh my word. This is so detailed. Dance as though no one is watching you. Wish you a day of smiles. That is so pretty. It's just like a little flower pot, and she signed it TT. And I love all those little beads that you put in the center of that flower. Look, she just glued those little beads in there. Oh wow, this is so pretty. That purple is beautiful. And it looks like you colored all of this, maybe. Beautiful, I love it. Thank you. And then this is more cushioning, so we will use that. Oh, this says for Aaron. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, you did not. He is going to be beyond thrilled. He loves a little bit of money in his pocket. It doesn't matter if it's $1, $2, as long he's got a billfold. His mom and dad bought him a billfold. And as long as it's $1 or $2 in his billfold, he just feels like he's king of the world. He'll say, if we go to the store and he's got $1, he'll say, "Nene, I'll buy it for you." And I'll tell him, "No, you save your money. Nene, I'll buy it." "No, Nene, I want to buy it for you." How sweet. This is just too sweet of you, Terry. Oh my goodness. I can't wait now until he gets home so that I can give this to him. He is just going to be so thrilled. Thank you so much. And yes, you got me crying again. I'm telling you. You guys are keeping me in tears, but they're happy tears. They're joyful tears. I don't mind those kind. But this is so sweet of you. I am going to make sure as soon as he gets home, he gets this. Oh, all right. Let me write your name down if I can see. Thank you so, so much. All right. Let me make sure I get your name correct because I don't want to write it down wrong if I can see. Terry Thompson. And I'm going to put out beside your name, where's that little letter? Let me get that envelope back out, or the card. I'm going to make sure that I put what you go by so that I'll know who you are. I go by the name of BCC Queen. Okay. Okay, now I'm doing the sniffling. Y'all have heard me do a lot of sniffling lately on these videos. This is so sweet and so beyond talented. And oh my word, Aaron is going to be, oh, I can't wait to get him over here and give him this. And the first thing, I guarantee you, the first thing that he will say is, Nene, when you go to the store, I'll buy it for you, okay? I mean, if it costs $100, he thinks if he's got a couple of dollars in his billfold, he can buy it for me. This is just so sweet. Thank you so much. That is so kind and appreciated. I really appreciate it. I don't even know what to say. You can see I'm just stumbling over my words. I wanted to jump back on here. I got so teared up and carried away that I didn't even describe her card. This is ingenious. Again, you guys blow me away. Number one, I want to know what this is that created that music note effect, because it is like an embossed image. I love that. And then she has little dragonflies cut out here, and it looks like, I opened it this way, and it looks like this is made from a file folder. Is it? Is that made from a file folder? Let me know, because that is so pretty. And then she's got the little fold here at the top to make it look like the flower pot. But look at that. I would love to know how this is made, and I'd love to create a few if you don't mind. If you can just tell me how they're made, maybe I can create one or two of them. I just love that. That is so smart. I'm going around and around trying to figure out how you did this. But it does look like it's made from a file folder. Now, I'm not sure about this one. This one looks like it may be made from cardstock, which is fine too. But that, I'd love to know how this is made. If you can send me instructions on this and you don't mind me recreating it on my channel, I would love to. I'll give you total credit, I promise. But I'd love to recreate this. This is just awesome. And what a good thing to do with your file folders. And this could be just a nice little card that you slip in an envelope and send to a friend. Or you could give it out to them and they could open it up and set it on their desk. It's amazing. We all have our own songs to sing. How sweet. Yes, we do. And that boy has got a song, believe me. Okay. All right. I just wanted to jump back in and do that. Like I said, I got so carried away when I saw this was for Aaron. I teared up and I forgot what I was doing. But thank you so much. This is so sweet. The card is phenomenal. So please, if you don't mind, let me know how you made this, and I would love to recreate it and give you total credit for it. All right, guys, I'm going to sign off of here. This is the only one that I got so far. I may get more today in the mail, but this is all I have right now. I wanted to show you that really quick, and we will talk to you guys later. Thank you so much. I love you guys so much. You mean the world to me. Blessings to each and every one of you. We'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.